TechSpark, and I'm Arjun Shah. Today I will be demonstrating this my new project which I have made. This is the Smart Glove version 1. This project I have made for especially for the dumb people who can't speak. We know that nowadays communication is the most important source for the interaction, like I am doing with you. So what about the dumb people? They can't express their feeling easily. So for them I built this small prototype. Here I am using one Atmega 328 IC microcontroller IC and one Bluetooth module. This is the hardware part. The second thing is that I have made one Bluetooth Android app using the MIT App Inventor. So let me turn on this first. You can see that the red LED is blinking continuously, means the Bluetooth is not. Now connect this Bluetooth module to the Android phone. Just turn on the Bluetooth. Pair this Bluetooth device. Here you can see that module HC05. It will be asking for the password. The password for this Bluetooth module is 1234. 234. Now it is paired. Now you can see that red LED is blinking after some delay. So means it is connected. So now go into our app. This is the app which I have made using the MIT App Inventor. The name as Deaf and Dumb. Just open it. This is a simple interface of app. Here you can see that click to connect. Just click on it, and Bluetooth module. All the Bluetooth devices are listed here. So our module name is SC05. Just click on it. Here you can the voice message is played, that is the touch mark on finger, and it is printed on a mobile screen. So whenever I touch any one of this contact point through this by using the thumb point, the thumb is the reference point, and all these contact points are using the pull-up configuration. Here I am using the pull-up configuration. Whenever I press some
hello,
here you can see that hello is printed, and using this
I am fine.
Dumb people can easily express their feelings.
I have fever. Call doctor. I am hungry. I need something to eat.
So this is a simple prototype which I have made for the dumb people. So hope you like it. The circuit diagram and app link is given in the description. Check the description. Thanks for watching. And in last, one more thing. Take care of yourself. Stay at home. Be safe. Thank you.